Are you the kind of person who hates cluttered kitchen? Well, this product is surely gonna make some space for you. Presenting the Pigeon Swift Multi-Cook Kettle. This appliance is gonna replace your existing kettle, steamer and egg boiler. Let's unbox together and experience clutter-free convenience. The Swift Multi-Cook Kettle has a unique modern look with a double-layer cool touch. The product has an elegant glass lid for closure that elevates the look along with a complete cool touch body. Furthermore, it has multifunctional attachments like a stainless steel in-stand for steaming, a plastic bowl which can be used for a variety of cooking tasks, and an egg boiler attachment to perfectly boil your eggs. It has 3 heating modes: max, high and low. The max mode is used for boiling, the high mode is used for heating, and the low mode is used for keeping your beverages and food warm. Safety has always been a priority for Pigeon. Therefore, this multi-purpose kettle comes with an auto-shut function, which means that when the desired temperature of the mode is achieved, the product automatically shuts down and restarts again to maintain the mode's temperature. The Swift Multi-Cook Kettle has 1.5-liter cooking capacity, and you can use it to make teas and coffees, or steam rice or momos, or even use it for cooking other things like soups, pastas, noodles and more. You can boil eggs to perfection or even use it to boil veggies. The large diameter of the product make it very easy to clean and maintenance is no hassle. I don't know about you, but I surely love this product. It makes my life easier and my kitchen clutter-free. Moreover, I think this is also a great purchase for people who live alone or do not have access to a stove. So, what's the wait? Get yourself the Swift Multi-Cook Kettle now.